What if I told you that luxury hotels don't keep their bathrooms spotless through hours of scrubbing or expensive products, but through one simple habit that takes 60 seconds and prevents dirt from ever building up? What if you could have that same sparkling magazine-worthy bathroom without ever doing a deep clean again? I learned this secret from a veteran hotel housekeeper, and it's been 3 months since I've had to actually scrub my bathroom. Stay with me, because this one trick will change your relationship with bathroom cleaning forever. The cleaning task we all dread. Let's talk about bathroom cleaning. It's probably the household chore you avoid the most. The soap scum that builds up on glass, the hard water stains on faucets, the grime around the drain, the weird discoloration in the grout. You know you need to clean it, but the thought of spending an hour scrubbing fills you with dread. So, you postpone it. Days turn into weeks. The bathroom gets worse. And when you finally force yourself to clean it, you're exhausted, your back hurts, and you barely see results because the buildup is so severe. The secret hotels use daily. Here's the secret that hotels have known forever, but most people never discover. Maintenance beats deep cleaning every single time. Hotels don't wait until bathrooms get dirty and then clean them. They prevent dirt from accumulating in the first place through one daily habit. After every shower or bath, they do a 60-second wipe down while everything is still wet and warm. That's it. That's the entire secret. But the way they do it matters enormously. Here's the exact method. Keep a microfiber cloth or squeegee in your bathroom. Immediately after showering, while the surfaces are still wet from steam and water, quickly wipe down the glass shower door, the tile walls, the sink, and the faucets. The moisture and warmth mean everything is loose and easy to remove. Soap scum hasn't dried yet. Water hasn't evaporated, leaving mineral deposits. You're catching everything before it has a chance to become a problem. This 60-second habit prevents 90% of bathroom cleaning issues. The transformation I experienced. I started this habit exactly 3 months ago. Every single day, right after my shower, I spend 60 seconds wiping down surfaces with my vinegar solution and microfiber cloth. At first, I was skeptical that something so simple could make a real difference, but within 1 week, I noticed something incredible. My bathroom wasn't getting progressively dirtier between cleanings. It was maintaining the same level of cleanliness day after day. Why this works so brilliantly? The science behind this is actually fascinating. Soap scum and hard water deposits don't form instantly. They develop as water evaporates, leaving behind minerals and soap residue that bond to surfaces. This bonding process takes time. If you remove the moisture and residue before evaporation happens, bonding never occurs. You're intervening at the crucial moment before easy-to-remove residue becomes difficult to scrub buildup. Hotels discovered this decades ago. They realized that preventing buildup through daily maintenance required far less labor than removing buildup through periodic deep cleaning. From a cost-benefit perspective, and paying housekeepers to do 60-second maintenance daily is far cheaper than paying them to do hour-long deep cleans weekly. The ripple effect. But here's what I didn't expect. This one habit improved my entire relationship with housework. Because my bathroom maintenance became so easy and quick, I started applying the same principle elsewhere. Quick kitchen counter wipe after cooking. Immediate spill cleanup instead of letting things dry. Small daily actions preventing big problems. My entire home became cleaner, with less effort, simply because I understood the power of maintenance over remediation. One bathroom habit taught me a life principle. Now you know that one hotel cleaning secret to a sparkling bathroom. 60-second post-shower wipe down with vinegar solution daily. If this just eliminated bathroom deep cleaning from your life, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more hotel secrets that transform home maintenance. Share this with anyone who hates bathroom cleaning. Comment if you're starting this habit tonight. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart, maintain daily, and enjoy your effortlessly sparkling bathroom.